Hi, I'm Ava. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If working hard guarantees success, why are millions of hardworking Americans still living paycheck to paycheck? They did everything right. They went to school, they earned the degree, they stayed out of trouble, they built the resume, they climbed the corporate ladder. And yet they're stressed about rent, stressed about healthcare, stressed about retirement, stressed about losing the one job that's supposed to make them secure. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. The system doesn't teach you how to build wealth. It teaches you how to build stability. And stability is not freedom. There's an invisible rule in the middle class. Don't take big risks. Don't stand out too much. Be responsible. Be realistic. Be safe. But what if playing it safe is the most dangerous financial strategy in America today? The middle class formula for success sounds simple. Get a good job, buy a nice house, finance 2 cars, contribute to a retirement plan, work for 40 years. On the surface, it looks like progress. But look closer. It's all built on income, not ownership. Income depends on your time. Ownership grows without it. The middle class trades hours for dollars. The wealthy trade assets for leverage. You can work overtime. You can chase promotions. You can negotiate your salary. But your earning power is still capped by 24 hours in a day. There's a ceiling. Meanwhile, assets don't sleep. A business can generate revenue 24/7. Investments can compound while you're at dinner. Equity can grow while you're on vacation. Now here's another lie. Just save your money and you'll be fine. Saving money protects you. It doesn't multiply you. Inflation quietly reduces buying power. Taxes quietly reduce income. Lifestyle upgrades quietly absorb every raise. You get a $10,000 raise, your rent increases, insurance increases, groceries increase. You're earning more, but you don't feel richer. That's not because you failed. It's because you were taught to operate in a system where income is the goal. But income alone rarely creates wealth. Ownership does. Ownership creates leverage. Leverage creates scale. Scale creates freedom. So the real shift isn't about grinding harder. It's about thinking differently. Instead of asking, how can I earn more? Start asking, what can I own? What skill can I develop that's rare and valuable? What asset can I acquire that produces income? What opportunity can I build equity in? Even small ownership changes everything. Because when you own something, you're no longer trading only time. You're building momentum. And momentum compounds. Real success isn't a bigger paycheck. It's options. The option to walk away from a toxic job. The option to take a calculated risk. The option to choose how you spend your time. The middle class lie says success equals comfort. But comfort without control is fragile. True success equals choice. And the moment you stop obsessing over security and start focusing on ownership, you stop running on the treadmill and you start moving toward freedom.